Natural color of the plants and greenery of greens is like a different sort of therapy. Being a plant mommy, I really like planting trees, vegetables, and plants if possible in my home only. I love growing veggies on my terrace, and I am in love with this therapy. I learned so much from plants and trees. They are always grounded but never stop rising upwards. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. Guys, as you can see that I really like planting trees and I really like planting plants in my terrace and in my balcony. I just want to show you like these days what I am following. I am in love with growing vegetables on my balcony. That is why this time I came across this pot and bloom grow kit. The one which I bought is for cherry tomatoes. I love adding cherry tomatoes in my salads, in my sandwiches, and whatnot. This particular kit is the natural cherry tomato grow kit, which comes with its own benefits and amazing products to make our process easier. When you open up the package, this particular little magic box from Pot and Bloom contains a lot of things. First thing is you are going to receive this natural pot mix. This is basically for growing up your cherry tomato. The next thing you see here is this beautiful pot. This do come with its own plate so that excess water goes out. It also comes with few seeds which you can actually plant your cherry tomatoes and some nutrition powder. Looking forward to it, you will also receive a natural protection spray and natural nutrition spray. You are going to receive everything in one box. This also comes with this germination cocoa peat coin, which is going to help to grow and to germinate the seeds. This box is full of magic products. I love this box because this had made my planting and my germination of another vegetable very easy. So this is how the whole pot and bloom cherry box going to look like, and all these products you are going to get in this little bundle of joy. I really like the pot and bloom box. This is amazing. I really think that this is the best option for children's, and this is very eco-friendly for nature as well. This is the best activity that you can introduce to a beginner as well. Now let's just move forward and start growing our tomatoes. First, what you're going to do is I am going to cut the organic pot mix and going to put the sand, or you can say the pot mix, in the pot. Then what you're going to do is you are going to make a dispersion, I mean like a hole of good 8 to 10 centimeter, and going to put your germination cocoa peat coin in it. After that, you're going to add half a glass of water and wait for some time till the cocoa peat comes and blooms out properly. After that, again you're going to make a 1 to 2 centimeter of dispersion in the middle of the cocoa peat, and you're going to put only 2 to 3 seeds of cherry tomato, and you're going to cover it up again. This is how the whole process is, and this is very easy. The whole germination process is quite therapeutic, and this is actually a perfect option for a beginner to start planting with. I think kids will also enjoy this activity if they are properly introduced with this. This is going to take 8 to 10 days to germinate. Now, after the germination process, there is a nutrition powder which you can actually mix it up with water and can feed your plant to provide the proper nutrition. You can also use this nutritional spray after 20 to 30 days to provide the extra nutrition, and this protection spray to keep all those heavy pests away from your plants. This is such a thoughtful thing to add it in a kit. Now, in this process, make sure to keep your plant in proper sunlight, and a proper adequate hydration is required. I completely like the whole process. I really want to thank Pot and Bloom for introducing such grow kits, and this will be really helpful. All the necessary details are mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. I hope you liked this video. I enjoyed the whole process. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care.